boy Hercules, back again with another video. So I'll be getting a lot of questions from people. If you follow me on Instagram or even just on YouTube, a lot of people know I do a lot of front squats. I don't do back squats anymore. I switched over to front squats a couple of years back. Had to humble myself, lower the weight, and work my way up because it is a difficult exercise if you've never done it before. So today's video is basically how to do front squats from my point of view. There's probably many videos out there on YouTube about it, but I'm gonna tell you guys from my experience how I was able to learn how to do it. So first things first, I tell people all the time, even when you're doing back squats, front squats is the same thing. You wanna make sure that the bar is at a level that's appropriate for your height. Too many times I'm in the gym and I see people set the bar up and it's either too low or it's too high. You don't want to have it too low to where when you're unracking it, you're halfway squatting already. That's wasted energy getting the bar off of there. You want to have all the energy possible when you do your actual squat, right? This will be too low for me, you see? So to figure out what level you need to be, if you're doing back squats or front squats, regardless, the bar is either going to sit here or it's going to sit here, depending if you're doing low bar squats or regular squats. But we're talking about front squats today. So what I want the bar to be right here, right along the collarbone, stopping right at the upper chest, right? So I would put the bar, see this here? That's too high. If I was to put the bar up here, I don't have shoes on, keep in mind of that. But at this current moment, this looks right. But see, you want it to be at a level where you're gonna put the bar there, right? This is too high. If I wanted to get this bar off from front squats, yes, it looks right here, but look. See how I just ran into that? That could be detrimental if you got 400 damn pounds on a bar and you run into this and knock yourself off balance, things could go bad. So to prevent that, you wanna have a lower. You shouldn't have to get the bar and stand up on your tiptoes, show my feet. You shouldn't have to go like this and walk back. That's okay when it's just a bar. But like I said, when you got 400, 300 pounds on here and you tired and you got that walk and you got to put it on, you're gonna run into the bar and now it's all bad for you, okay? You don't wanna have to do this to put the bar back. You wanna have it comfortable. So, me knowing where I am on this squat rack, I put it on 38 inches. I'm short, I'm only 5'6", so. There, now you might be like, oh, that's too low. But once again, let me show you the comfort. I have to go down to get it, but just barely. Boom, up under the bar. All I gotta do is lift up and walk straight out. See how I didn't run into nothing? And then when my set's finished, I can just walk it back in, run it into there, drop the bar. I don't gotta worry about trying to level it out. So that was the first thing you need to do. Find the level of the bar that you need for your height. There's different ways to do front squats. Some people do front squats like this, here. I tried this when I first started doing them, but I just don't have the wrist mobility and shoulder mobility. It bothers my shoulders when I got 300 pounds on here and I gotta try to hold this weight up. So you can do them this way, which I'll show you just a couple reps like this. You wanna keep the elbows up. The bar is right behind my front delts and right in my neck. It's gonna be uncomfortable at first, there's no way around it, I already tried. If you move anywhere up here, when you go to squat, the bar is gonna slide off your shoulders. You gotta really tuck it up in there. Keep the elbows high, squat down. But when you come down, you're keeping the elbows up the whole time. Never drop elbows. You drop elbows, the bar is gonna drop with you. But I'll show you guys the way that I do it. So I do the other method. I come in here, I tuck the bar under my front delt first, then I bring the other one under, boom, that position right there. Then I take my right hand, put it over the top of the bar, left hand, put it here. Boom, see how my voice changing? Because it's all in my neck, but that's what I'm used to. So, same thing with this position. Elbows up, bar tucked into the neck. If you're doing this right, you should be able to stand there like this and the bar not move, right? If I had it in the wrong position, here, now the bar is wobbling around when I squat. So have the bar nicely tucked behind the front delts, elbows up, squat down, keep the elbows up the whole time. 1, 2, just like that. 3, all right? Another tip I can give you guys, and the biggest reason why a lot of people struggle with doing it that way is because the small thing, it's a protraction of the scapula. You got scapular protraction and retraction, right? If you retract your scapula, you're not gonna be able to get the bar back here. So when you're doing this, think about it like this. What I'm doing without you noticing it is I protracted my scapula. So I took my shoulders, pushed them forward, and then I tucked the bar right up under there, and I kept my position right here. But if I retract, now the bar is sliding off. Simple, right? So, real quick, all in one motion, bar is level, come up under, protract the scapula, bar up, walk back, set your feet. Now, we're gonna talk about feet position real quick. To me, it's preference. Some people like to squat with their feet close, some people like to squat wide. It's not gonna be the same for any given person. Some people are taller, some people are shorter. We all got different leg lengths. So you can't really tell somebody where to stand. I always tell my clients, stand where you're comfortable. Obviously, I'm not gonna let somebody stand out here, squat like this, but there's a gray area where everybody can kind of shift around for their comfort. I have bad knees, so I can't do squats like this. I gotta stand about here, slightly outside of hip width, right with my shoulders. That keeps my knees from having too much pain when I squat. Lastly, front squats are different from back squats. When you do a front squat, the bar path, you want to try to keep the shoulder and the ankle aligned. Front squats require a little more core stability and they put a lot more pressure in the quads. So when you're doing a front squat, you want to stay upright. Like I said, I like front squats because they put a lot of stress on the core, so you actually kind of get a core workout, right? Front squatting, you want to keep the body upright as much as you can when I squat down. Right there, butt down and back, chest up. This is where you should be at the bottom of the squat. Not here, not too far back till you're about to fall over. Straight down. Keep the torso as upright as possible. Right here, back up. Right here, back up. That way you're not putting too much stress on the lower back. Okay? So guys, that's basically how you do front squats. I'm gonna load the bar up here, do a warm-up set, because me and Lexi actually are about to train legs, just to show you guys what a full-blown rep would look like, or a set would look like doing front squats. So guys, like I said, I'm gonna show you the set real quick. We got 135 on the bar, full set. As you see, I'm ready to go. Get up under the bar.
But people, put clips on.
When you get experience, you'll be good at keeping the bar nice and level. But if you're alone, like Lexi said, here. Matter of fact, for the video, Lexi's a trainer too, so look. To be safe, guys, if you're a beginner, yes, do put your clips on. On front squats, it's a little harder. If you go unstable and that plate slide off, you're gonna be having a disaster. So, clips on. Show them again, come on this side, show them the angle. Please. Come on over here. Like I said, get up under the bar. Before I start, always get up under the bar like this. Boom, get up under there, drop down. Protract scapula. Shoulders forward, tuck it up under. Go, see how my front delts already got it? Already got the bar. I'm gonna show y'all this to prove it. If you got it there, you don't even need to put your hands here. You can just lift up like this. See how the bar didn't move? Secure the bar, set your feet. Straight down, straight up. Keep that torso upright. Come down, stand on the heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't forget to breathe. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When you're done, walk the bar in. Drop it down, just like that. Make sure when you do these, you follow those steps, guys. Be safe in the gym. Protect yourself, don't hurt your body. If you're looking to blow the quads up, take a little bit of stress off that lower back, switch over to front squats and give them a try. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you don't miss the future content. Also, some of my workout programs do have front squats on them, so if you want to give them a try, go to HerculesBasesFitness.com and download yourself a PDF file workout plan. The workouts are lined up for you each day of the week. All you gotta do is follow. So, thank y'all for the support. Hercules out. Stay tight.
Come on. You got it.